400 watt accessory set. In this we'll be giving you a briefcase with a thermocol box inside, like this. In this we'll be giving you a double paddle foot switch with a monopolar foot control, cutting and coagulation. One single paddle foot switch with a branded Nidhi cable cord, bipolar, hand switch pencil, tip cleaner. Extra complimentary, we will be giving you a electrode, main Scott branded Nidhi, electrode set of 4. Then one active handle with the cable cord, reusable, autoclavable. There will be a stainless steel patient plate with the cable cord, 2 banana jack pin at both the end. There will be a bipolar forceps with the cable cord. These are all the standard accessories which we will be giving you with the machine.